Thanks to technology, productivity has reached a new level. Whether on the computer, tablet, or smartphone, there are a multitude of apps at our disposal with which to increase our concentration and therefore be more productive. Focus to Do. Focus to Do combines the Pomodoro technique with task management, a useful tool that will allow us to be highly motivated and focused, all with the aim of meeting all our goals without distractions of any kind. Just create a task, start the timer, and focus only on it. We can also create reminders for important tasks as well as create lists and events in the calendar, available for both smartphone and computer. Forest. As if it were a game, Forest aims to make us stop using the smartphone while we do important tasks. The premise is very simple. When we enter Forest, we plant a seed. The more time we spend without touching the smartphone, the more the seed will grow into a tree. If we leave the app, the tree will wither and die. In this way, if we make little use of the mobile, we will be able to have a complete forest. Adblock. It is an app that will help us to temporarily block those apps and web pages that distract us while we are at work or in class. These blocks can be activated for specific times and dates, and once this time has elapsed, they can be used again.